Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how to fix Among Us disconnected from server error. So whenever you try to join a server on your Among Us and it says that you are disconnected from the server, so what you can do to fix that is first try to play or try to change your location here on your server. You can go to Asia or even Europe. So just try to find a server that has lesser participants. So after doing that, after making sure that you have joined a server that has lesser participants and then the error is still there or that didn't fix the problem, what you can do next is to check your internet connection. So make sure that your internet connection is stable, and you can also restart your modem of your internet connection, restart the router of your internet connection, or even you can use your cellular connection or your data. So after doing that and you still have the the problem or you still cannot connect from to a server on Among Us, what you can do next is to turn off any VPN if you're using a VPN. So this can cause a problem with your connectivity. So you can go ahead and turn off your VPN while playing the Among Us. And then what you can also do is to try to refresh the app. So just click on your click your app switcher button on your screen and then just force close your Among Us app. And then after that, you can go ahead and open again your Among Us. So try to check if this fixes the problem. So that is some ways that you can fix your disconnected from server error on your Among Us. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.